Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
If you have to build a ballistic missile shield, you need to have a very long range radar that can detect targets from thousands of kilometers. Initially, India has imported such radars from Israel, then further upgraded it as per its requirement, and now it has developed its own long range tracking radar, also called LRTR, which we're discussing in detail in today's video. But before we discuss on LRTR, let's also understand the basics of BMD. BMD is India's two-tier ballistic missile defense system developed by DRDO. The first layer can intercept a missile at an exo-atmospheric altitude of 50 to 180 kilometers. This layer consists of Prithvi Air Defense Pad and Prithvi Defense Vehicle (PDV) interceptors designed for mid-course interception of a ballistic missile. The second layer can destroy an incoming missile in the Indo-atmospheric altitude of 15 to 40 kilometers. It consists of a single-stage, solid rocket-propelled Advanced Air Defense (AAD) interceptor missile. AAD is designed to intercept missiles at the terminal phase. The BMD system in its present configuration is designed to counter missiles with a range of up to 2000 kilometers and a speed between Mach 3 to Mach 8. The key to detection of incoming missiles at long ranges is long range or beyond horizon radars with range in excess of thousands of kilometers. These types of radars operate in L-band. To begin with, India has imported two phased array green pine radars in 2002 and 2005 from Israel that was used in Israel's Arrow missile defense system. Green Pine operates in search, detection, tracking, and missile guidance modes simultaneously and capable of detecting targets at ranges of up to 500 kilometers and can track more than 30 targets at speed over 8.74 Mach. The Green Pine radar has a proven track record and has demonstrated in over 20 successful ballistic missile intercepts. We have also made a detailed video on these radars too. Learning from Israeli technologies, DRDO has also developed Swordfish Long Range Tracking Radar (LRTR) capable of tracking missile launches at 600 to 800 km. Although it is based on Israeli green pine, it differs from Israeli system as it employs Indian TR modules, signal processing, computers, and power supplies. It is also more powerful than the base green pine system and was developed to meet India's specific BMD needs. DRDO has not stopped till the development of Swordfish, but went ahead with Super Swordfish or Very Long Range Tracking Radar. DRDO's Super Swordfish has been developed to track and intercept the MIRV capable missiles. ISRO is already using an L-band AESA radar called Multi-Object Tracking Radar, which is based on the same technology with fixed horizontal and vertical angle rotating at 360 degree. It is capable of tracking 0.25 meters square object at 1000 km and 0.09 meters square at 800 km of lower Earth orbit. The Super Swordfish has an approximate range of 1500 kilometers. It was raised in 2017 for Indian Ballistic Missile Defense Program and is now operational. Two units of Super Swordfish was accorded by Government of India back in 2017. As per the latest update, Phase 1 of the Indian Air Force Ballistic Missile Defense BMD network is now under construction. Indian Air Force is building 4 L-band long-range tracking radar (LRTR) sites near Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, near Jaipur, Rajasthan, and yet to be identified site in Uttarakhand, all of which will be deployed along India's western air defense Identification Zone. Construction activities are slated for completion by mid of 2023. The first phase of BMD system will be providing ballistic missile defense cover to NCR and Mumbai, besides keeping track and providing situational awareness of all ballistic missile. Under phase 2, 3 additional LRTR sites will be built, with construction already commencing early this year to cater for northern and northeastern portion of Indian Air Force Air Defense Identification Zone. This year, work will also commence on construction of 12 L-band high-power radar sites, 8 facing the LSE and 4 for LOC.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.